Hello, a huge thank you to everyone who watched our last video about the Norton. We received lots of great comments.
Especially one from Tristan, who explained why we're getting blue smoke and it's hard to kick over. That is due to something called wet sumping, where the oil bypasses the pump straight into the sump when it's sat still.
So today we're going to see if that is the case for this bike by finding out if there is in fact oil in the sump or the crankcase that has seeped past. Sit rep, how hard can we make this?
Very.
What we have here, viewers, is a slight technical snag on the surprisingly non-simple task of reconnecting the battery. But don't let Chris know what I'm recording it. He'll be cross.
What we've got is basically a 38mm. We need a 37, but I haven't quite got 37. What we need to do, take the sump plug out off under here, because this is a bit loose. So those purists out there might not like us using a, hang on, righty tighty, lefty loosey.
So what you're saying is the socket nearly fits.
Yeah, it's just fit.
It's another piece of scrap, nearly fits.
Yeah, we could do with a bowl, sir, please. Right. I don't really want to drop the very clean oil, which is a good sign.
There's nothing actually wrong with it. Oh, I can see Chris reflected in the blackness.
So there is yeah, it
but
is
we
a bit,
will change it.
Yeah, I think it's worth the extra bit of money spent. It's well worth it.
That is. No bits, no shiny metallic.
No, nothing. Ideally could have done with a new seal on that, but it doesn't matter. Well, hopefully what we need to do now is try and start her. Right, done the sump plug up, drained the oil, done the sump plug up, filled up with oil, we go. Battery's connected. Right.
A big fella. Cut. Do it all again, but do not say the battery's connected, because you say that a lot. It's a lot of cutting and editing.
Okay. Ready? Right, the battery's connected. Right, try that again. Right, sump plug's done up. Drained out the excess oil. Filled up the old pump.
Start again.
Why?
You said some plug.
Yeah.
Again.
Yeah, no. Oh, we're doing it. Right, okay. Delete that one. Take 60. What am I starting from then?
Well,
Are you ready to start?
Pretty much.
Okay.
Concise, to the point, bosh.
Oh no, because you've got nothing better to do, have you?
No.
Right, here we go. Let's give it a go, see if she'll start. Hopefully she should be a bit easier. Right. Another tip, somebody said, give it a bit more fuel.
Let me stop this video right now and ask you, have you subscribed yet? If not, why not? You're probably busy, you probably forgot. So why don't you right now hit that subscribe button and hit that like button, then we'll get straight back to the video. Thank you for watching.
This off. the oil up. Look, we've actually got no blue smoke now, so had a little bit at the start, but actually top tips from our viewers. Just got to convince my dad now to start it once a week. I think on that note, back to the kettle.
So, while we have a well-deserved cup of tea, we can confirm that this bike has indeed been wet sumping, and that's been the cause of all the smoke on the startup. As a bonus, because there's no longer oil in the sump, it's also solved the oil leak. Well, there we go. Thank you for watching our video. We think that was a great success. It started up with very little smoke, so we think we've nailed it. So thanks again to Tristan, who gave us that top tip. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. For all of you that enjoy looking at the older, more vintage parts of our channel, here's a sneak peek of something that's coming up in future episodes. Our friend Mark accidentally bought a vintage classic the other day, and we joined him as he drove to Henley-on-Thames to pick it up.
I've got a message from him.
Excellent.
And it says, "Morning, can you confirm you're on your way today? We'll get all the bits out ready. Thanks."
Bits.
Oh God.
We're here.
We made it. Right.
What has he bought? What has he bought? What have you bought?
A nice blue Land Rover.
Can you see the Land Rover?
I can see the Land Rover.
It's not the Land Rover.
It's not the Land Rover, is it?
Okay, what is it?
Hiya.
Martin,
I was on the money.
how are you? Excellent.
What do I win, Mark?
What do you win? Because you said it was an ex-GPO brand, didn't you?
I did. Is it? I can see through the floor.
Yeah.
Been able to see Mark for months.
So, for all of you bike lovers out there, we've also got Chris's Goldwing stashed away in his garage that you may not have seen if you're new to the channel, but it has made a recent appearance, and here it is. Basically, the decision was made to pull the engine following some discoveries with the cam belts. Chris has made a monumental decision, everybody.
Can you tell?
The look of enthusiasm is here again.
Yep.
Hey!
Yes, I think I might just take the engine out.
That's frightening, mate.
Well, I think what
But you got nothing to lose. So following that momentous decision to pull the engine out, Chris has been busy actually taking pieces off. So this is what the bike looks like now. All the fairing, all the paraphernalia, tons and tons of wiring has been removed. We are now down to pretty much the point where we need to pull the engine. And I think all Chris is waiting for, to be honest, is for me to get my act together and get over to his place and give him a hand.
Yeah, I ain't got a clue where that goes.
There's entrails coming out of this side. Look at it.
I'm not quite sure where that goes.
Well, it really is the end this time. So thank you for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed the little teasers we gave of what's coming up in future episodes. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. But we thank everybody that has subscribed so far. We really do appreciate it.
And we're looking forward to doing some more videos on the new projects, and see you next time.
Thanks ever so much.
Cheers then, thank you.
Bye now.